This is the Pacific Ocean, Brighton Beach in Christchurch on a beautiful blue day. And the sun is shining, and this is just a fantastic day to take, which I will try to, I don't know what does. You've got the Pacific Ocean and the sunrise and the sunsets every single day, and then you've got the sun. You can go right at the end to be closer to the ocean. Shit. In Wellington, to see the Pacific Ocean, I have to drive like 2.5 hours out of town on a fine day just to see the ocean, and as wild as it gets. But here it's in the city. It's like, it's your coastline. Look at that. You've got a huge beach. This is Brighton Beach. And it's just like Kapiti Coast. And it just goes on forever. People do swim in summer. I heard people are swimming in winter, and there they are. Surfing in the middle of winter. Beautiful. Can't get enough of the sunshine. And the rolling. Look at you. Hey! Of the Southern Alps. White snow all the way around. On the other side it's the ocean. I think Christchurch is the best thing that's ever happened to New Zealand. You have to be incredibly lucky and privileged to live in Christchurch. That's my opinion. What a beautiful city. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm at the end of the bridge.